So far, I've had to do an exhaust manifold gasket, probably the most toughest one since I've been here. That consists of taking off a lot of engine components to get to the exhaust manifold, be able to take that off and replace the gaskets. Just took it step by step. I didn't rush through anything, and if I had any questions at all, I made sure to ask one of the other techs.